More dramatic, these professional thieves actually believed they could escape the police.
Stop right there. Stop right there. Hey. Stop right there.
On February 4th, 2023, police were dispatched to a shopping mall after receiving reports of an ongoing theft. The moment he saw the officers approaching the scene, he made an instant, shocking move.
What are you trying to do?
I don't have anything.
All right, come on. Keep your hands wide and see them. Stop right there. Hey. Stop right there. I'm going to tase you. Stop right there.
Okay.
Do not move. I know exactly what
No, I didn't take anything.
You got him?
I didn't take anything was just an excuse, as his clothing and fleeing behavior were enough to raise suspicion of wrongdoing. Meanwhile, another suspect was still lurking around, quickly evading the police's approach.
Hey man, stop right there. See your hands. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Stop right there. Stop right there. Hey. Stop right there. Turn around. Turn around. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
Are you kidding me?
Get on your stomach.
Tell me.
Get on your stomach.
Okay.
Stop resisting.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Get your...
Hey, man.
Stay right there, man.
Hey, man.
Stay right there.
Okay.
Put your hands...
What's going on?
Put your hands on your back.
What you do that?
Well, get your hands... Put your hands on your back.
Man.
Put your hands on your back.
Their resistance, even when hit with a taser, demonstrated the sheer professionalism of these thieves. And while the police were apprehending the second suspect, the first one managed to escape.
I saw someone running.
Yeah, handcuffs on.
Yeah, well, there's two in the store he's fighting with.
Oh, they had handcuffs on one of them.
All right. I don't want nothing, brother.
When I tell you to stop, stop. Yeah, tell forward that male's gonna be wearing a blue jacket, possibly blue jeans.
Do you know which way he is?
He went that way.
Oh, okay.
So security had the other guy, I don't know if he fell off, let go, but we had him in handcuffs.
I think one of them may have been on that bike. That's why the bike's over there.
Let's go.
Some guys walking said one of them ditched the bike and took off.
So one, we caught him because he ran. Then they pointed out this one because he started coming to the back. Dumped whatever.
But you only got away with your handcuffs, huh?
One did, yeah.
Oh, he's still cuffed?
Yeah.
On the back?
Yeah. Where's the other one at?
He went down, the other one, they went down Zeferano.
Alright. Let the other units know, male still in handcuffs, played. Zeferano, Torch Rafina. Here's the bag that was his. I don't know if you don't get a cent.
Yeah. A bunch of customers said that he went down Zeferano running. Okay. And he's cuffed, dude.
Okay, we'll get it. We'll get it. Let's go. Stop resisting. Stop pulling away, dude. Just relax. So have a seat. Stop resisting. Simple as that. You just keep fighting.
Immediately after detaining the suspect, the police began tracking the fleeing individual using professional tactics, even monitoring every possible sign in the surrounding area to locate him.
304-277, just double checking any bike involved that we know of, or negative? So, sounds like he went this way, huh? Seems like he's tracking fairly well.
Excuse me. You guys see a guy running in handcuffs over here?
Oh, we've been looking. We haven't seen one at all.
Okay, appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm sure he's gone by now. Yeah, dude. I mean, I think we locked it down okay, but it sounds like this all unfolded pretty fast. Did he leave stuff behind?
No, he said that he had bolt cutters in his hand. Or like wire cutters, and he's trying to cut them off.
Oh, okay.
But he said he just left. He's got to be right here somewhere.
Okay. Homeowner saying he, within seconds from us arriving, that he left. What was he wearing?
He just had a jacket and he's handcuffed, but he had like cutters.
The handcuffs are still in his back? Okay. Okay.
He can't cut him.
No. He's saying the handcuffs were still to the rear.
Gotta say, please call me the canine. If you're in there, make stuff known. You know, after my dog, you get bit. Gotta say, please call me the canine. Make stuff known.
After hours of searching, the suspect still couldn't be found. However, just 6 months later, the police received a report of his reappearance in the area, this time armed. Given the lessons from the previous encounter and the heightened danger, the officers deployed a SWAT team to apprehend him.
Oh, he's running.
Where is he?
He's right there.
Go get him, Sarge. Go get him.
Watch his hands.
Let me see your hands!
You gotta go! Give me your hand! Give me your hand! Give me your hand! Give us your hand! You do it! Good job, bro. Get his leg. Get his leg. Good. Good. Go. Get cuffs. Someone get cuffs. I got cuffs. I got cuffs. Move. We got his ass. Pat him right away. Go on your back.
At this point, the second suspect was facing 4 active warrants for possession of a controlled substance, resisting the unlawful taking of a vehicle, and aggravated assault on a peace officer. The first suspect had 2 outstanding warrants for failing to appear in court related to prior controlled substance charges, and both were charged with shoplifting and resisting. Even petty thefts can escalate into serious crimes when suspects resist or evade police. Cooperating early with law enforcement prevents greater danger and consequences for everyone involved.